You searched how to buy shares of Tailwind 2.0 Acquisition Corp. The company is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker TDWD and operates as a special purpose acquisition vehicle. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To buy TDWD, you must use a broker. We will use eToro as an example to show the flow. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place orders. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker TDWD to find Tailwind 2.0 Acquisition Corp. Select the matching result to open the company listing. On the asset page, check the company summary and the price chart to see recent trading activity. Confirm the listing is Tailwind 2.0 Acquisition Corp. with ticker TDWD before proceeding. To place a buy order, click Invest. Enter the amount you want to purchase, then review all details and confirm the order. If the market is closed, your order may be queued, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once executed. Check your holdings to monitor it. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.